Here's a detailed explanation of ovarian cancer, including its definition and step-by-step pathophysiology. Definition of ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer is a type of malignant tumor that originates in the ovaries, the female reproductive glands that produce eggs, ova, estrogen, and progesterone. It is often diagnosed at an advanced stage due to vague early symptoms and lack of effective screening methods. Step-by-step pathophysiology of ovarian cancer. The development of ovarian cancer involves genetic mutations, abnormal cell growth, and metastatic spread. Here's the pathophysiology broken down into stages. 1. Genetic and molecular alterations, initiation. Mutations occur in the DNA of ovarian epithelial cells, most commonly germ cells or stromal cells. Common genetic mutations include BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene mutations, tumor suppressor genes, TP53 mutation, involved in cell cycle regulation, PTEN, and HER2/neu gene alterations. These mutations lead to loss of normal cell cycle control, making the cells susceptible to uncontrolled growth. 2. Cellular transformation. The mutated ovarian cells lose normal differentiation and start to grow abnormally. They become resistant to apoptosis, programmed cell death, allowing survival of defective cells. Cells begin to proliferate uncontrollably, forming a neoplastic lesion. 3. Tumor formation, progression. The abnormal cells form a tumor mass. Tumors may arise from different ovarian components: epithelial tumors, most common, 90%, germ cell tumors, sex cord stromal tumors. The tumor continues to grow, invading the surrounding ovarian stroma and fallopian tubes. 4. Angiogenesis. Tumor cells secrete vascular endothelial growth factor and other factors to stimulate the formation of new blood vessels. Angiogenesis supplies the tumor with nutrients and oxygen, supporting continued growth and survival. 5. Local invasion and spread. The cancer invades nearby tissues: uterus, fallopian tubes, peritoneum, bladder or rectum. Tumor cells may shed into the peritoneal cavity, leading to peritoneal carcinomatosis. How much X? 6. Metastasis. Cancer spreads through direct extension to adjacent organs. Transcollomic spread. Tumor cells exfoliate and disseminate throughout the peritoneal cavity. Lymphatic spread to pelvic and para-aortic lymph nodes. Hematogenous spread, less common, to distant organs such as the liver, lungs, or brain. 7. Ascites formation. Ovarian cancer often causes ascites, fluid buildup in the peritoneal cavity, due to increased vascular permeability, lymphatic obstruction, protein-rich fluid secretion by tumor cells. 8. Immune system evasion. Tumor cells evade immune detection by altering antigen expression, inhibiting cytotoxic T-cell responses, creating an immunosuppressive microenvironment. Summary. Ovarian cancer begins with genetic mutations in ovarian cells, leading to uncontrolled cell division, tumor formation, angiogenesis, local invasion, and metastatic spread. It is a complex disease often diagnosed late due to nonspecific symptoms. Thank you. Have a nice day.